Money, 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 money.
Hey, well sharp to the world. You don't know, says Prophet Z representing right now. We're inside King Heartbeat Studios. Big up the one them called Coolie Chat, Bigger Boss. Big up Drew Photography. You don't know, say all the things set already. So, you already know we had the wine and dip contest. There were 2 runner-ups. And there was only gonna be 1 first place winner. Somebody that was gonna walk away with the $500. Remember I used to say they were gonna wine and dip with $500? Well, 3rd place we had Tasha Diva, big up yourself. 2nd place we had Alvin Hill, big up yourself. And 1st place we have none other than the one them called Nelly, who's in the place with us right now today. So big up yourself. So right now, you know man, we said $500 go to the 1st place winner. And people thought we were talking foolishness. As you see right here, it's $500 cash. And I'm going to present this to you. Nelly, congratulations on getting your first top spot of the wine and dip contest. So big up yourself. Anybody want to big up?
Thank you guys. I want to say thank you to all my family and friends who voted for me. Thank you to everybody who shared the link to vote. I really appreciate it. So I won because of you guys. So thank you for voting for me. My well shop.
Well shop to the world. All right.
Show me the money.